This is what my people should do and rise up and stop killing each other. Tell me if I'm lying. My people afraid of the white man. They do. They're afraid. He don't kill the white man. No. He kill the black man. Yes. For no reason. No reason. For
What's
no
going on? What's going on?
for
Black
no
men
reason.
all over the world.
No reason at all. No reason at all.
Things have been changed
Tell me if I'm lying. You're not lying.
because Biden
People, my people,
forfeited on his agreement.
always afraid of my people, afraid of the white.
See, Biden want this lady to become president, but he could not hold out.
He killed
So now she have to go on her own to fight
black men,
to see if she could become president.
black babies, the black men, black girls.
But
It's just a
Biden
shame.
were leading the way
He killed black babies, the black men, black
because Biden was going to beat
black babies. He killed black
the incoming president,
It's a shame. It's shame. He killed the black
but he gave up.
a black woman.
So by he gave up now,
Black man, black man,
she have to do it on her own.
kill the black man, black babies.
All the black people is going to rally around her
Tell the black man, stop killing, stop
unless she become president.
kill the black man, black
And if she do becomes president, or she going to help the black people in their doing,
stop black babies, kill the black man.
I don't think so.
It's just a big shame, it's a big shame, it's just a big disgrace.
I don't think so. What do you think?
It's just a big disgrace.
Are they going to let you become president?
Killing black man, killing black man.
Because they hate Donald Trump so much
It's just a big shame, just a big
because the black people said he's racist.
tell the black
And if he's racist, are they going to leave the Republican and vote Democratic?
kill black man, black woman.
Because do you know what Yahweh said many years ago?
I want you to tell the black man,
He's a buddy of mine that I met in Florida.
stop killing black.
He said
You don't kill a white man, no.
if the Democratic
Woman, no.
voters
Do is killing black
vote for Republican and Democratic,
do
we could have a saying.
the black man. Big shame. It's
But they all want to do Democratic. Black people.
stop is killing black men.
So when they lose the election,
Church,
they can lean on the side of the Republicans
stop killing black
because they didn't vote for the Republican.
black man.
The last time Trump got about maybe 5% or 6% of the black voters.
Black man is killing black men.
Are they going to split it 50-50 this time?
Big shame, no. Black man
So if the Democratic lost,
killing black man, no. It's just a big shame, no.
they can lean on the Republican side
It's
because they vote 50-50.
the preacher's not telling
Because look,
the black man
if this lady won
it's just a big
the presidency, she's not going to do anything for you black people.
is killing black man.
Take my word.
And they kill the white woman.
When she was in San Francisco, she didn't do nothing for the black people. She placed brutality on them
He don't kill the white man.
for a little bit of marijuana.
Yes.
You don't have to take my word.
For no reason. No reason. For no reason.
She's not for black people.
No reason.
Huh. Oh, you can't see that?
No reason at all. No reason at all.
Oh, you can't see, huh?
Tell me if I'm lying. You're not
you can't see. So by you cannot see who she is, but they will set up for she to win the election because they are, look, the white people already know her. The white people know her more than our black people. You don't think so? If you don't think so, you're a goddamn fool. And the reason why they will let you become president, because they hate Donald Trump so much. Don't matter how many good Donald Trump have in his mind to let the country grow with jobs and opportunity, they will let you win the presidency. They have their little keys to turn. So they can turn the key for all the voters to vote for her. You know, it's machine counting all the votes now. They don't count by hand anymore. They put them in machine count. Duh. So the machine can count 1 for 2. Or the machine can count 1 for 5. Oh, you didn't get me. You didn't hear nothing that I said. Anyway, back to what I'm saying. If Biden did stretch it out and Biden won the presidency, all he have to do after he won, just give up and say, hey, she become president, there's no more problem. But he couldn't hang out. So she have to fight on her own now. So, all the black people going to be with her. That's my question. You know they go for anything, black people. Remember Barack? It was the first time I do a voting. First time I vote for him. You know why did I vote for that man? He said he's going to clean house. He's going to clean house. Condoleezza Rice, Colin Powell, George Bush, Dick Cheney, all those going to come to justice. And I was happy, very, yeah, I want those guys to come to justice because of what they did in Iraq. When he went in, changed his mind. He can't do that. Go back and look. I got all his tape. This is what I was doing. His election, I taped every one of his election meetings. You remember his preacher buddies? And he dumped that guy? It's a shame. It is a shame. And he have not done anything for, he did not do anything for 8 years for the people. Check it out. Then they start to rebel against him. Then he's going to use his own mouth and say that he should do a little bit more. So the black people didn't learn their lesson from a black man being the president. And now a white woman, black woman is going to be the president. So we need to hear something out of her mouth what she's going to do for the black people. I bet you she's not going to bring shit up. Huh? I guarantee she's not going to say what she's going to do for the black people so they can benefit from our administration. I bet you. Like what Trump is saying.
his own man,
He's going to turn on all the drilling again.
he killed the black man. Yes,
Let's see what you're going to say.
for no reason, no reason, for
Because you want to win so bad.
for no reason,
Huh?
no reason at all, no reason at all.
She want to win. Listen, she want to be president so bad.
Not lying,
You don't know. You don't know what I'm saying.
afraid of the white man. Always
People could start to give her a name.
my people,
She's a witch and all that stuff. Look, President Witch.
white man.
No, don't do that. Let she be free of her thought.
He killed black man. The black
Because she have mixed thought anyway.
who he killed,
So let she
baby.
be herself.
The black man.
She like to smile. That's okay.
Shame. A big
Stop labeling her.
black babies.
Let's see what she gonna do for her people.
He killed the black
Because she half Indian and she half black. As we said in Jamaica.
no reason, for no reason, no reason,
So she's on both sides.
no reason at all. No
And she marry a white man. So she's on three sides.
man from lying.
So what do you think?
My people, afraid of the white.
Huh?
Always afraid of my people,
I bet you didn't say nothing about that. And you're not gonna say nothing about that. You keep your mouth shut.
He don't kill the white woman. No.
So she have two interests. Or she have one interest.
Man. Black woman. Who we kill? Black babies.
She already married out of the race.
It's just a big shame.
She didn't marry a Indian and she didn't marry a
He killed
black man.
black babies. The black man. Black woman.
So she leave those two races alone
He killed.
and she marry another race.
He don't kill the white man. No.
Or she gonna help all the race of people.
For no reason.
Or she gonna make everybody come together.
No reason.
Talk to me.
For no reason. No reason at all.
So you can criticize her.
Tell me if I'm lying.
She half Indian and she half black.
People,
And she marry a white man.
the white man. Always afraid of my people. Afraid of
And her children
he don't kill the white man.
becomes what?
He don't kill the white woman.
So we cannot criticize her in no way. Let's see what she's gonna do.
Who we kill?
Because she wanna be president.
The black man.
And Biden didn't give her the complete opportunity.
Big shame. He killed black baby.
Biden jumped out of the race.
Black woman. His own man. Black babies.
So it's gonna be hard for her right now.
It's just a shame.
So everybody gonna rally around her?
A black woman. Wake up.
Are they gonna do that?
Black man. And stop.
So if everyone rally around her, the white people, the Indian people, the Chinese people, on the black people,
Stop. Babies.
then she can become the president.
Black babies. Preachers.
So my question is, are she going to help the black people?
Don't kill the white man.
Not like Barack
Kill the black man.
Obama.
For no reason. No reason.
Then she will hang in there for 8 years straight.
No reason.
Straight up.
No reason at all. No reason.
But when she was in San Francisco,
Tell me if I'm lying.
she didn't help the black people. She let them go to jail. When she came to Los Angeles, she let her go to jail. Ah. So you think about it. You think about it. That's all I'm saying. Black man. So wake up. Respect.